You can manage all of your organization's websites, domains, and contributing team members with our Enterprise Controls dashboard. Here's how it works. When your business first purchases an enterprise plan, your Squarespace account manager will add your first team administrator to the organization. They can then invite more members to join. Each member has an organization role, which dictates the actions they can take. Team administrators can access and edit all organization-owned websites, create and publish sites, and manage other members. Team members can access select websites and create trial sites. Team administrators can assign site-level permissions to other team members for each site in the organization, ranging from admin, website editor, or none. To give an enterprise member a more specific site-level permission, click on Show More. The Dashboard tab shows every site in your organization that you have site-level permissions to view. You can identify each site by its preview image of the home page or its site title. To start a trial site, click Create Website. If you're ready to activate and publish an enterprise trial site, navigate to your site, click on the ellipsis icon, activate website, then activate. Make sure to change the site's availability to public to make it accessible to all visitors. Foster greater collaboration on your next web project and contact our team today. We can't wait to see what you create next.